Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question. So when you're reading tarot for yourself, what happens is it's very difficult to get in that place where you can separate your energy and what you know about the situation and what you know about the card and go into your intuition. It's just very hard to do. Now, what I can say that you can do is you can think about getting a second opinion with a pendulum if you really want to know if you're being objective. So, for example, you could pull a card, and let's say you pull a card and you're asking a question about, am I going to get this new job? And you get the Three of Swords, which is the heart with the three swords in it. You go, oh my gosh, that I know about what that card is. And now that is making me fearful that I'm not going to get this job. So you can ask the pendulum, hold the pendulum and say, does this Three of Swords mean I'm not going to get the job? And see if it says yes or no. So that would be the thing that I would say, because you want to open up your intuition. The pendulum will open up that intuitive energy or answer you intuitively if you have a question about what you're reading. But I often say to people, it's very, very difficult to do a reading for yourself. I'll pull one card for myself or two cards, but I don't do a big full reading. When I want a real reading about something, I'll go to a reader and get a reading because they can be objective and see things that I might not be willing to see, I might be in denial about, or I might want to twist to make it tell the story that I want to tell.